time kind of moving your neck too. Damn, Nia. Jeez. It's already popping in there, so it's easy to kind of...
Oh, shit.
That's the one.
Hold up.
Hello. Whew.
Okay.
Wow. That was nice.
That doesn't make any sense.
That was your fight or flight reaction right there.
Well, that was needed.
That was needed. Let it fall for me. It's easy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow.
I didn't know my neck had been that far.
Yeah, so that was your first ever adjustment right there. So
Okay.
how'd that feel?
Great. You needed. I needed that.
That's good. There's some rib release for the low back. Just relax. Hit this spot right in here. Let it go. Let it go. That's the one. That one exploded. Down. That's the one. Holy shit.